Can the 14th Amendment, a piece of legislation born out of the ashes of the Civil War, disqualify a former president from running for office again? This is the question that's been simmering in the political cauldron of late. Today, we'll delve into the historical and contemporary implications of the 14th Amendment, specifically its third section, and its potential effect on Donald Trump's political future. In the year of 1868, the 14th Amendment was born, a response to the end of the Civil War and the need to establish clear citizenship and equal rights. Its relevance today, however, lies in its third section, a lesser-known clause that disqualifies any person from holding office if they have engaged in insurrection or rebellion against the same, or given aid or comfort to the enemies thereof. This clause was designed to prevent Confederate sympathizers from holding office, but today it's being used in a different context. Fast forward to the year 2021, when Senate Republican leader Mitch McConnell suggested that former President Donald Trump is morally responsible for inciting the U.S. Capitol mob on January 6th. This led to a conversation around the enforcement of Section 3 of the 14th Amendment as a means to hold Trump accountable. This idea gained traction among Democrats and anti-Trump Republicans, arguing that Trump's actions in undermining the 2020 election and his role in the attack on the Capitol qualify as insurrection. The disqualification, according to this theory, is self-executing and does not require a criminal conviction, opening up the possibility for a constitutional roadblock to Trump running for office again. However, not all legal scholars agree with this interpretation, and some argue that the criminal justice system should be the appropriate enforcement mechanism. So far, no state has taken steps to bar Trump from the ballot, but the issue is being discussed among secretaries of state. The matter is likely to be settled in the courts, potentially reaching the Supreme Court. To summarize, the 14th Amendment, specifically its third section, has been thrust into the spotlight as a potential tool to disqualify Trump from running for office again. This interpretation of the amendment, born out of the Civil War era, is just another example of how the past continues to shape the present and possibly the future of American politics. However, the final decision rests in the hands of legal scholars and the courts, who will ultimately determine the validity of this argument and its implications for Trump's political future.